Amado Vera Hernandez was born in Hagonoy, Bulacan but grew up Tondo, Manila, where he studied at the Manila High School and at the American Correspondence School. Being a reporter, columnist and editor of several newspaper magazines, including Watawat, Mabuhay, Pilipino, Makabayan at Sampaguita. He also honed his poetic craft, received the Republic Cultural Heritage Award, a number of Falongkas, an award from the National Press Club. For his journalistic achievement, Amado B. Hernandez was a renowned Filipino writer, poet, and labor leader who made significant contributions to Philippine literature. He was born on September 13, 1903. He became from humble background as was known for his advocacy for the rights of the working class. Amado studied at the University of the Philippines, where he completed the Bachelor of Arts degree in 1924. He later pursued law of the University of the Philippines, College of Law. Hernandez was a prolific writer known for his poetry, novels, and essays that highlighted social issues and the struggles of the Filipino people. He received numerous awards for his literary works, including the Republic Cultural Heritage and Literature. In 1961, Amado B. Hernandez is considered one of the pillars of the Philippines literature, particularly in the realm of socially confused and the politically charged writing. His works was often on purpose and the plight of the marginalized and the oppressed, advocating for social justice and equality. Here are some of Hernandez's poets and novels. Mga Ibong Mandaragit, Luha ng Buwaya. Through his writing, Hernandez wrote the light, the harsh realities face middle working class, and challenged the status quo, inspiring a generation of people, writers to use literature for social change. In conclusion, either B. Hernandez legacy lies in a spiritual life and socially powerful and socially relevant to resonate with readers, shedding light in the social injustice and struggles of the Filipino people.
Isang dipong langit ni Amado B. Hernandez. Ako'y ipinit ng linsil na puno, hangad palibhasang diwa ko'y piitin, katawang marupok aniyay pagsuko, damdami spil na maithin na spil, ikinulong ako sa kutang malupit, bato, bakal, punlo, balasik ng bantay, lubos na tiwalag sa buong daigdig, at inaring kahit buhay man ay patay. Sa munting dungawan, tanging abot malas, ay sandipang langit na puno ng luha, maramot na birang ng pusong may sugat, matawat ang aking pagkapariwara. Sintalim ng kidlat ang mata ng tanod, sa pintog may susit walang makalapit, sigaw ng bilanggo sa katabing muog, anakay at tungal ng hayop sa yungib. Ang maghapoy tila isang tanikala, nakala-kaladkad ng paang madugo, ang buong magdamag ay kalambong luksa, ng kabaong waring lungga ng bilanggo. Kung minsay magdaan ang payak na yabag, kawil ng kadina ang kumakalanding, sa maputlang araw saglit ibibilad, sanlibong aninong iniluwa ng dilim. Kung minsan ang gabi biglang magulantang, sa hudyat may takas at asod ng punlo. Kung minsay tumangis ang lumang batingaw, sa bitayang muog may naghingalo. At ito ang tanging daigdig ko ngayon, bilangguan may di magdibangan ng buhay, 10, 20 at lahat ng taon, ng buong buhay ko'y dito mapipigtal. Ngunit yaring diwa'y walang takot, hirap, at batis pa rin itong aking puso. Piitay bahagi ng pakikilamas, pakiit ay tanda ng di pagsuko. Ang taot bathala ay di natutulog, at di gabi habang araw, ang api ay api. Tanang paniniil ay may pagtatuos, habang may bastilya may bayang gaganti. At bukas diyan din aking matatanaw, sa sandipang langit na walang nangluha, sisikat ang gintong araw ng tagumpay, layang sasalubong ako sa paglaya.